Summary to section 2. Punishable transgressions. One who eats non-kosher foods is liable for punishment only under the following conditions. Okay, so one more time, we have any amount is forbidden, but some of them punishable, some of them not punishable. So following condition. Number 1, he eats kizayis of something, right? Kizayis, we said 1 ounce approximately, of non-kosher foods, or drink revis, we said 3.1 ounces, I think, like minimum, of non-kosher liquid, right? So that's condition number 1, meaning quantity. Condition number 2, he eats this amount within the span of 3 to 4 minutes, or drink within the time span normally required to drink revis. So as we said, two different opinions. So according to one opinion, you would probably never ever say a blessing after you drank coffee, unlike if you drink in small sips, right? But according to second opinion, yes, you would say the blessing. I mean, if you finish in 9 minutes, you would say the blessing after coffee. And condition number 3, he eats non-kosher food in a natural manner. One who eats a scalding hot food, right, it's not counted, food that become repugnant and thereby inedible, but he, for example, for whatever reason he eats, right? Or one who eats a food that food in gluttonous, repulsive manner, is not has not committed Torah transgression. Meaning, as we said, he overate and now he wants to go eat cheeseburgers. He overeats. He discussed it with food in general. Now he eats non-kosher food, so it's not considered to be eaten. Okay. So continue. Nevertheless, even one who eats less than the required amount or does not complete eating the food within the prescribed time violates the Torah law. So HaShem is going to get this person one way or another. Okay, so it's nothing to be happy about. Similarly, one who merely eats food that absorbs in noticeable taste of a non-kosher food has violated Torah law. This last concept is known as the ta'am kikar. The taste is like the essence, right? The taste is like a... But today, with modern technology, they have all of these foods that make from soya, like soya beans. It's unbelievable. Like all of this, even non-kosher taste. You have one time we bought kosher bacon, so it's turkey bacon, I think, like crumbs. $5, like big container. So. So I'm not sure if it tastes exactly like bacon, not exactly by bacon, but it's very interesting. We wanted to try. So today, like you have all of these similar tastes.